Hi everyone, the digital tool that I'll be sharing with you guys today is Socrative. Socrative is free, however there are paid options if you want additional features. So to create an account, they just ask you for a few basic questions. It takes 2 minutes, but once you create the account, you would just put your email and password. Okay, and then you are sent to your dashboard. So you can create quizzes, you can do a space race, which would be having a game, dividing the students into teams or letting them choose their team, and then answering the questions, or doing a quick exit ticket, which allows you to see what they learned that day. So to create a quiz, you just go to the quizzes tab, you add a quiz, and then you can title it. So I'll do digital tool. And then you have the option to do several different types of questions. So we'll just do a multiple choice. We'll do and then 3. So then we'll mark that as the correct answer. You can also add pictures or images to your questions. So that's also a good feature to have. And then you could add questions as you see fit. So we'll do save and exit. Okay. And then all you have to do to actually launch the quiz would be to go to the launch tab. You'll do quiz. Then you'll select the quiz that you want to launch. So some of the good features is that you can do teacher paced, open navigation, instant feedback. So just for time's sake, we'll do instant feedback. As you can see, you have several options, and all of these are free. So that's something that works really well. Okay, and it also pulls up the report. So I'll show you from a student's point of view. Let me see. Okay, they don't need to create an account. They just need to have the room name. Okay, then we'll put. Okay, and then this is what they would see. So you submit the answer, and there you go. And as you can see, you would get instant feedback. So you saw that I completed it and I have 100%. Some of the other great features of this tool is that you can pull reports. And then you can see, you can add the students. You can, as you can see, you have the option to email students. For the paid features, if you have several classes, that's a good way to add different rooms so that you can divide your classes up if that's easier for you. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but the room name is up here at the top where you see the screen test. And that's it. I think that's the presentation. It's very easy to use. It's very user-friendly. Also for students, as you can see, no account is needed. It's really quick, and you can customize it to your heart's delight. So thank you so much for watching my presentation, and I hope that you use Socrative in the future.